are in a situation where the concerned departments are not working in the required field. The situation has come because there is no regular maintenance. Therefore, we were forced to take such a step where we have to make aware the system, because as of my colleague, all colleagues just stated that the roof of the building was forced to cover with plastic sheet. Are we in a situation where the building is required to be covered with a plastic sheet? That means the concerned technical persons are not efficient to look after or maintenance of the building. Why this situation has come? Because there is no coordination because the judiciary cannot maintain the infrastructure. It has to be maintained by some other department of the government, and there is no coordination between them. Therefore, this is happening, and we are forced today to do this, to make aware to the system, so that system acts, and we cannot be forced to work under such a situation. Therefore, we will take a call what to do thereafter. Thank you. Advocate Sanjit Desai.
Today's sort of resolution that we have taken yesterday pertains to something that affects not only the lawyers but the litigants at large. And it is a pity that the government is not concerned with one of the only wings of the democratic system that we have, which renders justice to the public. It is a shame that despite resolutions having been passed by the lawyers in the past and communicating to the government departments.
They first entered our bar rooms. We knocked the doors of the judiciary. There was hardly any response. Thereafter, the rains entered the courtrooms. Still, there was hardly any response. And now we have a very distressful situation where the rains have started entering the judges' chambers. And in such a distressful situation, if somebody still says, "Bhupachi garaz na," it shows a disconnect between the problem and the government of the day. It is very humiliating that today somebody has put a chepe. Abhi mota matyar chepi gatla is kotacha matyar chepi gatla. What can be more shameful than this? We are not avoiding work. We would love to work, but it is our duty to ensure a safe environment for our colleagues to work. During the last rainfall, we had tiles falling on us. We have a distressful situation where we cannot even enter our bar room without the rain coming down. We have a pitiful situation where people have to remove the water which is accumulated in the corridors. We have distressful situation where senior citizens have a problem walking in the corridors because they are flooded. I understand heavy rains, the streets getting flooded, but this was a pitiful situation where the court corridors are getting flooded. In such a situation, what justice can be dispensed with? We have therefore used this occasion to highlight the situation. We hope the government would be responsive. If the government is not responsive, we will have to look at other alternatives, including filing an appropriate writ petition before the Honorable High Court, where for the first time we would be demanding justice for the judicial system itself. Remember, it is not our fight alone. We are going to knock the doors of the judiciary, asking for justice for the judicial system itself. Thank you. Advocate Pritam Morais.
The meeting was called by the association, and it has been resolved that we will not enter the court building, not for any other reason, but the building is not safe. If you see the condition of the building, some days back a tile fell on a lawyer, a couple of days back litigants have fallen down, slipped and fallen down because the corridors are flooded. The chambers of the judges are getting flooded, the courtrooms are leaking, there are records in the courtroom which are getting damaged. So this stepmotherly treatment by the government cannot continue as against the lawyers. If you see, the court buildings have always been neglected. The Mercel building is under construction for the last, I don't know how many years. It has been exposed. They have stopped the construction because the government is not releasing funds to the contractor. You go to the new trial court building which is being constructed. That the construction, the foundation has been done and stopped for the last more than 3 years. The building property was approved 10 years back. The land has been acquired. The construction has stopped. The building has been approved with only 18 car space. So this is stepmotherly treatment deliberately done by the government. So unless these steps are taken, we stop, and we are not entering for any other reason, only because it is not safe. So I think the government has to take serious note about the condition of the building for the safety not only of the lawyers We are doing this for the safety of the judicial officers, the lawyers, the litigants, as well as the staff. And I think things should be taken seriously by the government when it comes to the judiciary.
जो तर एक वटेन सरकार म्हणटा की आमी स्मार्ट सिटी सारखे करया, व्हडले व्हडले प्रोजेक्ट हाडया, NIT, IIT हे हाडपाचे प्रयत्न आसा, आनी दुसरे वटेन जी ज्युडिशरी आसा ही सामकी सकयल उडोवपाक सोदता अशें दिसना तुका ह्या कोर्टा वयल्यान?
It is not only in this court, it is all the courts as I pointed out. Even the Benjamin, the trial court, the work has stopped. The High Court, it was only after the High Court passed some orders against the government that the construction has continued and they've completed the construction. And I told you the trial court had not even, and it's not only this court, you go to the Kepeng court, you go to the Sangyen court, the condition of the courts are really pitiable. And because the budget allotment also for the judiciary is very low. So it looks like that the government is not interested in supporting the judiciary.
What is going to be this? Will have taken a one day token. What about the future course?
In fact, today is the first day we have started it. We'll have a meeting. I think the committee will decide in the evening as to what is going to be the next step forward. Because the IMD has predicted heavy rain. See, we are not just entering the court for any other reason. The IMD has predicted very heavy rain in the next week. And when it rains heavily, it is like, it's literally we have to roam around with umbrellas in the corridors. That is the situation we are in. So we considering the situation, the association had called for the meeting and they will take a call in the evening. And whatever call the committee takes, I'm sure all the lawyers from the bar will abide by it.
ते एक्चुअली जजान हांव कोणे तरी एडवायस केलो आनी जजान परमिशन मागले PWD कडेन ते घालपाक आनी आमचे PWD NOC दिले. आतां हांव सगळें चेंज करता सिस्टम. हांव लॉ मिनिस्टर हांवें एक्सपेंडिचर सेक्शन दिलो ताका करपाक कित्याक जजान सांगलें म्हणून. आतां ते कितें जाता तेय घालून ते सोल्युशन जायना. आमी करता हांव करून घेता मातशें जे लिकेज जाता म्हाकाय खबर आसा. लास्ट टायम आमी तेंचे पॅनल आसा पळय तांकां मेवले हांगा आमच्या दुसऱ्या कोर्टान आनी हांवें ताका प्रॉमीस केल्लें. अनफॉर्च्युनेटली तेन्नाच्यान पावस जो चालू आसा कित्याक खंय जर रिपेर करपाक जाय कोण मनीस वयर चडचो ना आतां पावसान. सो हांवें ताका रिक्वेस्ट केला की म्हाका टायम दिवचो. हांव सगळे ते राफ्टर काडून नडे काडून हेंच दवरता कितें दवरता टायल्स दवरता म्हणजे मँगलोर टायल्स दवरता. पूण ताका दुसरे भाशेन राफ्टर करता स्टिलाचे राफ्टर घालून करता लाकडाचे कितें कसो मेळटा. इवन ते पयलीं काम केल्लें हेजें म्हाका दिसता 5 वर्सां 4 वर्सां पयलीं केल्लें आनी ते सगळें हें जालां. सो वी वील यूज न्यू हायकोर्टान देखून आतां ओल्ड हायकोर्ट आशिल्लो पणजे हांवें इन्स्पेक्शन केल्लें थंय देखून ताका बिल्डिंगाचे भितर ते राफ्टर आतां काडटा आमी लोखणाचे फ्लॅट बार नाजाल्यार आमी बॉक्स घालता आनी वील फायंड अ परमनंट सोल्युशन.
What about the records, the safety of records?
Records, see, I don't want to get myself involved in the records. As the judge suggested to the executive engineer, Mr. Elvis, that to keep the records intact, you have to give the NOC for putting tarpaulin. So the Elvis executive engineer gave them this. Now, I don't want to comment on that. Records have to be preserved. I will come myself again. Today I've got a cabinet, so I will come myself again and I will meet the judge and all the concerned people and I will sort out that issue. Thank you.